Welcome, today we're going to show you how to connect your Mobile Legends account to another phone. So, the first thing that you need to do is to prepare your account on your old smartphone. So, as see from here, you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to account settings. After that, from here you need to have connected your account, so just connect your account to Google Play, Facebook, VK account, and be sure that you have saved your data. Also try to connect it to Moonton account. So by doing this, you are going to the safe side because you are saving your account data. So just connect it to anything that you prefer. So there's people who connect it to Facebook or other type of accounts. After that, you need to go to here's page and familiar yourself once again with all the heroes and skins that you have already purchased. You might already want to write down all their names as you will need this information eventually, as you from here. So to transfer, you need to download Mobile Legends on the other or the new Android smartphone. Go through the installation. After that, you'll need to play a demo or something. Then you need to go to your profile as see from here. Click on your profile picture. And now you need to click on Advanced Settings. After that, you need to click on Switch Account. And now you need to click on Continue to login. Now you need to connect the same account that you have connected to the old account. Now you need to verify which of these heroes do you own on the old account. So you need to choose one of the heroes that you own. After that, you need to choose the amount of diamonds that you have and then click OK. Now you need to choose one of the skins that you have. Click OK after that. And now you need to choose the brand of the device that you have registered your account in. Now you will be logged into your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.